video, I'll be teaching you how to download your Windscribe VPN for your laptop or your PC. So all you need to do is to go to your Google and type in file hippo, so that you'll be able to go and get the file hippo is a site for downloading software. So once you go to file hippo, the network is a little bit slow, but just exercise patience. Sorry for that. So once you click on file hippo, you select this particular one with the blue logo and you come down to desktop and click desktop. So you locate the search bar and type in Windscribe VPN. Once you just type in Windscribe to bring out the results, and you select the one you need. This is the VPN, the Windscribe VPN we need. You click on download, wait for it to load. So once you click on download, you just come to this green button here where it is written download the latest version of for Windows. So once you click it, just wait for some minutes or for some seconds, and yes, it has started. So while your program is downloading, catch up. So wait for it to download. So after that, we click on our download button to see if it has downloaded. Okay, this is it. This is the file. So we just click on the file. Click on the file. So once you click the file, you wait for it to load, and something like this will pop up, which is asking you if you really want to install the app, and you click on yes. Wait, you select the language you want, select English. After selecting English, you wait for some minutes so that the installation process can begin. So click on next. So wait for it to load. Okay, so still loading. So once that is done, it says thank you for downloading Windscribe VPN. You can click on the run to execute the downloaded file or later. But I want to do it now, so I'll click on run. So click on run. Wait for it to load. So this is it. You click on install so that it could install in your system. So once you click on that install, the app will automatically appear here. So this shows that you are done. Then this is the last step. Bring this up. So if you have logged in to your VPN before, your Windscribe, all you need to do is to put in your details and your profile, your details, and it will log you in. But if you haven't signed up before, it will still show you a part where you can click on get started and everything will start loading. So in the next video, I'll be teaching you or showing you how to navigate each country and how to use the premium version. Thank you for watching this video.